Hi, my name is Brian Norton with the In-Data Project at Easter Seals Crossroads. Today we're going to be talking about something that's pretty timely, and that is being able to open your iOS device without face recognition. And so it's an opportunity to open up your iOS device with the watch. So let's go ahead and take a look. So today I'm going to talk about Apple Watch Wake Up is what I'm calling it, but it's a new feature that you can do where you can pair the watch to your phone, your iPhone, and allow the watch to wake up your phone. Over this past year, we've all been dealing with COVID. We've all been wearing masks and social distancing, trying not to share our germs with other folks. But for us who use smartphones, which is I think the majority of folks these days, it's been really frustrating because the iPhone relies on facial recognition to open it up. And so with your mask, you always had to put your passcode in. And so it was really frustrating. It wouldn't just automatically open it up. As soon as you start looking at it, you always had to get that passcode out. And I don't know about you, but it's driven me nuts this past year. With the new version of iOS, which is the phone software, and the new version of the Apple Watch software operating system, if you upgrade both of those, now you can go into your settings and have your Apple Watch wake up your phone. And so I'm going to show you where that's found. If you go under Settings, you're going to come underneath here. You're going to find something called Face ID and Passcode. We'll go ahead and click on that. I'm going to put in my passcode. And it's going to open up something that looks like this. And if I go all the way down to the bottom, there's going to be something called Unlock with Apple Watch. And basically, it creates a secure connection between your iPhone and your watch. And when you're wearing a mask, it'll go ahead and just recognize that the watch is near your phone and go ahead and unlock it for you so that you can simply swipe up and start using it instead of having to enter that passcode all the time. This has been super helpful. Still a very expensive proposition. I'm not here to tell people to go out and run out and buy an Apple Watch. Apple Watches are pretty expensive. I just so happen to have one, and it has been so useful to me. Hopefully they'll figure out some other way of doing that. I know some Android phones don't even rely on facial recognition. They do things with the retinas in your eyes and other types of things to be able to kind of recognize who's looking at or using the phone. Hopefully more of that will come to iOS. But for now, this is what we got, and I know it's changed my life a lot in the recent days as we've upgraded to the newest iOS and Apple Watch software. So that is Unlock with Apple Watch. And that's your tech tip for this week. My name is Brian Norton with the In-Data Project at Easter Seals Crossroads in Indiana.